I promise you. This time will be the last. Good morning! 6th day of trying to get into a shape, and it's breakfast time. Before Christmas, the best food that I can choose is eggs, bready, what else? Cheese and sour cream. That's fair enough. Holy shit, the first exercise is pullbacks, and because I cannot do the regular one, I will try to catch more the negative side of the movement. One. Just throw it on the oven. Let me see. To defrost it, and then I'm gonna keep only the chest part without the skin, and for the rest is for the family.
Talk to me next. Look, dirty, dreaming. Cloud nine, know that I'm dreaming. Full on leaning. Know that I'm leaning. Walking dirty, got a whole lot of bed. Leaning. I'm up in the Poppy, lurking, scheming. Know that I'm scheming. I'm married to things, got needles attached. Big body.
I told you guys I'm going hard. Chicken breast from the whole chicken without skin, and on the microwave I have this rice. It's paella. We'll put all the macros in the screen in the end of the video, so let me check out. Oh, it smells good. Oh, it's white hot. Okay, that's 400 calories and 300 and something. I told you, I put all the calories in the end. One of my favorite meals, chicken breast with rice. The chicken doesn't have any oil. I just bake it with the skin, and after that I remove that, so I will count a little bit more than 164 that regularly chicken breast has on 100 grams. So let's enjoy. Let's go. This is the post-workout meal. Okay, just let me take the tripod, connect it. Alright, lock it. That's fine. Boom. Oh! I'm going to fix myself. I promise you. This time will be the last. I believe I got the mindset right now. I'm gonna take it easy. because now I am on the army, I'm serving the country, I don't have much time left, it's 3 more months, because in total I had 12 months. I announced that back then, but I have 3 more months and then I have to go back to my normal life, to my 9 to 5. But hopefully I am here on Athens, I'm next to my home. This is why I am out right now. I have the Christmas holidays right now, and I have to go back to the army at 30 on this month. So practically I always have something going on. I'm not free unless the clock hits 5 or 6 on the afternoon, especially with the 9 to 5. On the army I can shoot some films, I can shoot what I'm eating, because it's something that I don't have the power to decide if I am here or not. I don't care, I'm just here for the obligation. But on the 9 to 5 I can shoot anything, I can. Sometimes I don't take even break to eat. I'm just waiting all the day fasting, and then I'm eating when I'm going home. Thankfully, I've learned how to cook chicken, and now it's very tasteful and juicy, because I know right the point how I'm going to cook it. That is from one side cooked, to not have any salmonella, and from the other side to just be enough juicy, because I don't like boring chicken into my diet. So I'm closing for now. Maybe I am on my calories right now. I will see if I have 1 or 2 protein shakes after that. So guys, work on your dreams, believe in yourself, open the camera, start talking, do whatever you want to do in your life. Work on your 9 to 5, but in your free time, invest in yourself. Invest in yourself is the best investment you can do in your life. I do a lot of things. From working to 9 to 5 is one of them. I'm doing YouTube, and I'm doing also day trading that you never see anything from that. I'm doing well, to be honest, and in this period that I am in the army, there's no any revenue. Army doesn't pay you money like the real job. It does give you 10 euros every single month, just to take the razors and shave your beard, to shave your face if you don't want to have a beard, because I am on the Navy and the beard is allowed, but nothing else more than that. And the thing is that I am okay. I am dealing with my expenses right now, because the army says to you, I am paying a bed to stay if you want to stay, but I am on Athens, so I obviously don't choose to stay in the army. I choose to stay on my home, and also it tells you that I am providing you food. I am a cook inside of a kitchen in the army, so whatever I want, I took it for free. Okay, I don't have any. So you have free food, you have a place to sleep. I don't give you anything else. You have your education that it will last 6 months if you have brothers, 9 months if you have less brothers, or 12 months if you don't have anything, you are just a regular guy. So patient for now, and thankfully I got back then one course on trading, and I like to take my positions. I waited 2 years for this bull market, and now it's time to make a little money. Sometimes I make one average daily payment through my trading. Sometimes I don't even open trading because it's not a good timing to open a position, so I don't really care. I have my money on the side and I decide what time is right to do something. And in general, I don't care about the 9 to 5. I have my money my whole life. I didn't spend anything on bullshit. I was always investing myself. I was not going out. Even with friends, I was doing simple things but interesting things. And that's the crazy with the life. I want to have the power. I don't want to have a boss that I'm really scared if he's gonna fire me or he's gonna make my life a nightmare if I don't have any cash. I want to have my cash and I want to have the power to choose, because the first boss that I ever had, it just made my life a nightmare for the minimum wage. And after that I learned how to save money and invest money and never ever have someone that I need around me. I am the man of my life. So investing is good, but you have first save money to have an emergency fund. This is vital for me because life is life. Sometimes shit happens, sometimes unexpected things comes to your way. You have to face them and just be steady on your journey, because if I don't have any money in the bank and something bad happened, I have to take the focus out of my business, to take the focus out of something that I am doing and really chase the problem to solve it. But if I have an emergency fund, I can solve it pretty fast, because 99% of the problems are solved with the money. Even with health, some people are telling that I have a health problem, how I can solve it. In most situations you can solve it with money. Okay, I understand that there's a situation that you cannot solve health with money, but there's a small percentage. So having money on the side is the best thing you can do. You don't have something above your head or someone to be afraid of. And I am not afraid of anyone in my life. I have my money. I'm working to have a better future. I'm investing in the things that I believe are most valuable for me personally, and I move on. So Spartans, thank you a lot for watching this video. The 6th day of me trying to get into a shape just finished. Here we are not only for counting calories, for cooking. We are here for the bigger idea, to make ourselves better, to get a nice body. I don't disagree, but the important is the mindset, because the ancient Greeks said, nice body, nice mind. So thank you a lot. We are going to talk about it again tomorrow. Happy holidays for everybody and your families.
Let me see some. Cuz, it's cracking, cuz, back then.